Thursday morning at Holman Middle School, the Huskies are getting ready to play a simple game of basketball.
A unified basketball game where students with special needs play with their able-bodied peers.
The message behind the game is easy.
The message is that everyone should be included, everyone deserves a chance to be treated fairly and treated the same.
Go Brianna!
And players like Brianna Daniels have waited a long time for this moment.
So we haven't had a unified basketball game for the past 2 years due to COVID. And so this is a great way to kick off the campaign.
It's the Choose to Include campaign, and basketball just plays a small part.
Our Student Council Association made posters and signs that they put throughout the school, and they really came up and interacted with our students. They gave them high fives, they encouraged them to play, and they really just treated them like they'd treat anyone in the school. They made them feel equal.
The Choose to Include campaign is the brainchild of the Special Olympics. Students sign a banner pledging to be part of the inclusion process.
And thank you so much for choosing to include.
And in a world where division seems to be the norm, inclusion is quite refreshing.
It was a great opportunity for us to get our kids back out here and celebrate the Special Olympics We Choose to Include Week. Anyone who wants to, push for inclusion or support inclusion, I would say definitely get involved with the Unified Basketball and the Special Olympics.
And that looks to have a bright future in the years ahead.
The future of this is next year we should be back to normal. We should be back to our unified schedule and have multiple games.